Happy Tuesday, everybody. It's Pavel with What's in Your Ear PA. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of the wax cleaning, but I wanted to point out something at the very end of the video where you could see a little bit of that hematoma on the tympanic membrane or the eardrum. That, my friends, is caused by, you guessed it, Q-tips. Please stop using Q-tips in your ears. They don't belong there. The only people that belong there are people like us in the ENT world. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Take care. Enjoy your Tuesday.